Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. आज हम करेंगे एक्स्ट्रा 2.1, 2.2 miscellaneous of chapter number 2, class 12th. So the first question is find the principal value of sin inverse minus half. So we know that sin inverse minus x is equals to minus sin inverse x. So this becomes minus of sin inverse 1 upon 2, and this 1 upon 2 comes at 30 degree. So this becomes sine pi upon 6. So the value becomes minus pi upon 6. Okay. Now the question number 2 is find the value of, now this is exercise 2.1. This is exercise 2.1. Now here the question number 6 of this exercise is find the value of tan inverse minus 1. So this becomes minus tan inverse 1. Now tan is 1 and pi upon 4, so this becomes minus tan inverse tan pi upon 4. This is cancelled out, so the value becomes minus pi upon 4. Okay. Next question is question number 9. Question number 9 is find the principal value of cos inverse minus of 1 upon root 2. So we know that cos inverse minus x is equals to pi minus cos inverse x. So this becomes equals to pi minus cos inverse 1 upon root 2. So this becomes pi minus, now this is cos pi upon 4. So the value becomes pi minus pi upon 4, which is 3 pi upon 4. Okay, note it down. So the 12th question is find the value of cos inverse half plus 2 sin inverse half. Okay, so cos is half at 60 degree. So this becomes cos pi upon 3, and sine is half at 30 degrees. So this becomes 2 sin inverse sine pi upon 6. Okay, so this is cancelled out. We are left with pi upon 3 plus 2 pi upon 6. So it is pi upon 3 plus pi upon 3. The value is 2 pi upon 3. Okay, moving forward. Exercise 2.2. You will do all the main questions now. The question number 3 is prove tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7 over tan inverse 7 upon 24 is equals to tan inverse half. Proof tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus tan inverse 7 upon 24 is equals to tan inverse half. Okay, so for this there is a formula even part 1 में किया था, that now the LHS is tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus tan inverse 7 upon 24. Okay. Now this is what tan inverse A plus tan inverse B. Tan inverse A plus tan inverse B is equals to tan inverse A plus B upon 1 minus AB. Okay. So this becomes tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus 7 by 24 upon 1 minus 2 upon 11 into 7 by 24. Okay, so this is the LCM is here 264. So this becomes 48 plus 77, and in the denominator it is 14 upon 264. Okay, so this is what this is tan inverse 48 plus 77 125 upon 264 by 264 minus 14 upon 264. So this is cancelled out. I get tan inverse 125 upon 250. Okay, so this is tan inverse half, which is equals to tan inverse half, which is equal to RHS, hence proved. Please note it down. Please like and subscribe. Now, moving forward, this is exercise 2.2. Now, question number 5 is simplify tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Now here, whenever you get a term in addition where there is a square, कभी भी अगर आपके पास एडिशन का टर्म हो और एक टर्म स्क्वायर में हो, तो ऐसे केस में टेक x is equals to tan theta always. Okay, so this becomes tan inverse root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. All right. Now this 1 plus tan square is sec square theta. So this becomes root of sec square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So the root is cancelled out. So I'm left with tan inverse sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. Okay, so this becomes 1 upon cos minus 1 by sin upon cos. Okay, so this is what this is tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by cos theta upon sin theta, and the cos will be cancelled out. So this is tan inverse, what is 1 minus cos? It is 2 sin square theta upon 2, and this is sin theta. This can be written as 2 sin theta upon 2 into cos theta upon 2. So 2 is cancelled out. So I'm left with tan inverse sin theta upon 2 upon cos theta upon 2, which is tan theta upon 2. So tan is cancelled out. So I'm left with theta by 2. Now what is theta from here? Theta is tan inverse x. So this becomes half tan inverse x. Okay, please note it down. Now the question number 11 is find the value. Very main question. Find the value of tan inverse 2 cos into 2 sin inverse half. Okay, find the value of tan inverse 2 cos into 2 sin inverse half. So इसको हम यहाँ से start करेंगे. This becomes tan inverse 2 cos. Now this sine is half at 30 degree. So this becomes 2 sin inverse sine pi upon 6. Okay. This is cancelled out. 2 ones are and 2 threes are. So this becomes tan 2 cos pi upon 3. So what is cos pi upon 3? It is half. So it is tan inverse 2 cos pi upon 3. And cos pi upon 3 is half. So this becomes 2 into half. So I get tan inverse 1. Now what is tan inverse 1? It is tan inverse tan pi upon 4 is cancelled out. So this becomes pi upon 4. Okay, please note it down. Next question. It is so we're doing miscellaneous now. I'll take all the main questions. It is proof cot inverse root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x upon root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x is equals to x upon 2. Okay, now here क्या करना है? What is root 1 plus sin x equals to? ये निकाल लेंगे. And what is root 1 minus sin x equals to? ये निकाल लेंगे और यहाँ पे इसकी वैल्यू को पुट कर देंगे. So this can be written as root sin square x upon 2 plus cos square x upon 2 plus 2 sin x upon 2 into cos x upon 2. So this is what? This is cos x plus sin x by 2 square. So this is what, so this becomes equals to cos x upon 2 plus sin x upon 2. Okay, so if this is cos plus sine, so this becomes cos minus sine. So the value is cos x upon 2 minus sine x upon 2. So the value of this is cos x upon 2 plus sine x upon 2, and the value of this is cos x upon 2 minus sine x upon 2. So on solving it further now, just put the values in, it will be done now. It is cot inverse. It is cot inverse. 1 plus sin x is what? Cos x plus 2 sin x plus 2 plus cos x plus 2 minus sin x minus 2. Okay, upon cos x plus 2 plus sin x minus 2 minus cos x plus 2 plus sin x plus 2. Okay, so here sin is cancelled out and here cos is cancelled out. What I get now? Cot inverse 2 cos inverse x upon 2 upon 2 sin inverse x upon 2. 2 is cancelled out, so it is cos upon sine. I mean, this is only cos and sine, not cos inverse and sine inverse. Okay. So what is cos upon sine? It is cot. So I get cot x upon 2. This is cancelled out. So it is x by 2, which is the RHS, hence proved. You note it down. Next question. It is solve the equation. Now we need to solve the equation. The question is solve 2 tan inverse cos x is equals to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Okay, solve 2 tan inverse cos x is equals to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Okay, so what is 2 tan inverse x? It is tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Okay, so this becomes tan inverse 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x is equals to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Okay, it's just cancelled out. So this is sin square x, so I get 2 cos x upon sin square x is equals to 2 cosec x. 2 is cancelled out. Okay, so here we get cos x is equals to sin x into cosec x into sin x. हमारे पास sin square था तो मैंने इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. So this is 1. So I'm left with Sin x is equals to cos x. So this becomes sin x by cos x is equals to 1. So tan x is equals to 1. So x is equals to pi upon 4. Okay. Please note it down. Next question. Okay. Here is a question that solve cos inverse cos 7 pi upon 6. ठीक है, तो कितना हुआ? This is cos inverse cos 7 into 180 upon 6. इतना ही हुआ. This is 30. So I get cos inverse cos 210 degree. But ये तो cos के रेंज से ही बाहर हो गया, as the range of cos is from 0 to pi. So this can't be the principal value. Alright. So we know that cos 2 pi minus theta is equals to cos theta. Right. So this cos 210 degree can be written as cos of 360 minus 150 degree. So this becomes cos 150 degree. So it is cos inverse cos 150 degree cancelled out. So what is 150 degree into pi on 180, right? So the value is 5 pi upon 6. So if you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.